Zoe and I were sitting in the workshop the other day, thinking about what we could possibly do next.
My intelligence is only artificial. What about yours?
Okay, these little check boxes tell me what mode she's in. And there's a mode called friendly mode, and it's got a little countdown timer on it. And every 30 seconds, she will ask a nice friendly little icebreaker question to get a conversation started with somebody. So if you want to see more about Zoe the robot, tune into my YouTube channel, or if you go to zoetherobot.net, you can see all my videos, you can see parts list, you can see build information, and you can see robot stories. zoetherobot.net.